In the last episode, we talked about pineapple juice. In today's clip, we're going to talk about that peel you discard while taking your fruit. At the end of this video, you will stop throwing your pineapple peel away. So we're going to look at the healing benefits of pineapple peel water. Stay tuned and watch this clip to the end, because at the end of the video, recipe that will help us to maximize the healing benefit of this pineapple peel water will be shared with us. Pineapple peel is loaded with flavonoid and phenolic acids. These are regarded as potent antioxidants. Antioxidants are agents that stop oxidative reactions in the body, like diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, arthritis, and heart-related diseases. Meaning that when you consume this pineapple peel water every day, you and your family will not be victim of these oxidative diseases. Hence, you must not throw the pineapple peel away. You will no longer throw the pineapple peel away. Pineapple peel have been reported to exhibit potent diuretic property. This is essential in eliminating toxins from the kidney, especially in the era where kidney problem is becoming a norm. Regular detox is recommended. Hence, pineapple peel is a potent recipe for your detox. So don't throw that pineapple peel away. This peel have been reported to be useful in destroying intestinal worms. Good news, because when you are always giving your family this pineapple peel water, there will be no need to buy worm expeller, because it's going to do them general detox as well as destroying the intestinal worms. So don't discard that pineapple peel again. The bromelain in pineapple peel have been reported to be useful in managing swelling like edema and arthritis. So if you have a parent or you are a victim of arthritis and edema, your legs always swelling, make sure you consume this pineapple peel water every day. So don't throw that pineapple peel away. Pineapple peel is also useful in bone strengthening, especially for women that are in their postmenopausal phase. Make sure you consume this pineapple peel water every day. It's going to strengthen your bone and prevent osteoporosis. Pineapple peel is useful in boosting metabolism, especially during the evening. So it is very useful for you to drink your pineapple peel water 1 hour after your meal. It's going to help in digestion, metabolism, and as well as enhancing your sleep. So make sure you take the pineapple peel water every day. If you're trying to maintain a healthy weight or you're trying to burn fat, consume this pineapple peel every day. You're going to experience that you're losing weight even without stressing yourself in the gym. That's why you must not throw that pineapple peel away again. So the health benefits of this pineapple peel cannot be exhausted. The fruit and the peel must be maximized for our overall well-being. Just like any other juice, just like any other herbs, pineapple peel water and pineapple juice must be taken with precaution. You must not, because this fruit is loaded with so many health benefits, you go and buy a whole pineapple and want to consume it all alone. No. Don't take more than half a glass cup of pineapple juice every day. Pineapple peel water, don't consume more than 1.5 glass every day. And remember, you have to listen to your body. Whenever you're taking this peel water or the juice or the fruits and you realize that you are feeling some allergic reaction, it means you've taken excess of it. Make sure you maintain moderation when consuming this pineapple juice and pineapple peel water. Most importantly, if you're pregnant, whether early or late pregnancy, please don't consume pineapple. So to avoid premature labor, you must not consume pineapple during pregnancy. You can only consume this pineapple to enhance or induce labor. But apart from that, pregnant women, please avoid pineapple of any form. Now to the recipe we can use to maximize the healing benefits of this pineapple peel water. Before you get your pineapple peel, make sure you thoroughly wash your pineapple, sterilize with salt and rinse with water before you peel. Then when you're peeling, directly put your peel inside the pot. To that peel in the pot, add ginger, add lemon, add cups of water according to the size of your peel. Let water cover the peel, then boil for maximum of 30 minutes. Allow to cool and strain. Your drink is ready. This drink is very healthy. It can detox and it can also build your immune system. This recipe is very potent, especially for those of blood type A and AB that have sluggish metabolism. Second recipe is making a golden drink. To the pineapple peel, add ginger, add turmeric and pinch of black pepper. Black pepper is going to help for absorption of this turmeric. This boil, drain and drink. This is very useful for people that have inflammation or people that want to boost their immunity. Consume this half a glass daily, maximum of 1 glass daily. The last recipe today is for enhanced sexual performance and libido, also improve fertility. This is your pineapple peel, add clove, add ginger, add garlic and add cinnamon. This for a woman, drink this as soon as your ovulation starts, stop. For a man, drink all the way. Till I see you in the next video, let's maximize what God has given to us so as to maintain health and vitality. Let's continue to live life with respect to our blood type so that together we can enjoy this one life that God has given us to enjoy. Remember, you are in charge of your health.